Hey everyone, today we're going to learn about how to create new users and assign roles in Grafana. Okay, so let me log in to Grafana, admin, login. I'm going to skip this. So the first thing that you need to verify is if you have the right permissions to create users and assign roles to them. Okay, so to verify that, go to this icon here, Grafana icon, administration, and users and access users. So if you can access this page here, that means that you have the right permissions or you are a Grafana server admin. Okay, so here we can also verify that we have these users. So it says manage users in Grafana, and currently we are under this organization called new org 3. So we can see the list of users. Okay, so this is the current user that I'm using, and we got Grafana admin, org viewer, and test user. So to create a new user, click new user. I'm gonna give it a name org viewer 2. Email address, let's say email@gmail.com. Just copy that. Same username and name, and password is org_viewer2. Create user. And in this page, we can verify the user information, right? The permissions. So we can give it Grafana admin if you want to. We're not going to do that because this is just a viewer, and the default organization that is assigned to this user is the main org, which is the default one, and the default role is viewer. And we can also change that if we want to here. Viewer, editor, admin. Okay, and we can also assign the user to a organization. So we can select a organization here, and I'm gonna select the org, the new org, and I'm gonna give it a role viewer. So viewer, meaning that user can only view dashboards. If we give it a role as editor, that user can create, edit dashboards, panels, and alerts. And if we give that user admin role, that user can manage dashboards, data sources, users, and settings for the organizations. Okay, but in this case, we're just going to give it viewer, and I'm gonna add it to the organization called new org. And that's it. So let me log out and log in as org viewer 2. Okay, and before we do that, let me actually go back to users. In here, we can see the new user that we created, org viewer 2. Okay, let me now log out or sign out. Okay, so I'm going to use the username, and password is org_viewer2. Okay, we are logged in, and here we should see two orgs. So we see that we are both viewer for the main org and viewer for the new org. And we can only see dashboards because we can only view dashboards. All right, so that's how you can create a new user and assign role to them in Grafana. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.